Yoga Nidra or yogic sleep is a state of consciousness between awareness and sleeping. Yoga Nidra brings deep rest in the body and mind. Practicing Yoga Nidra before sleep could be ideal. Whenever you feel tired or mentally disturbed, try to do this Yoga Nidra. It will repair your body and mind for sure. This technique is good for people who are suffering with insomnia, depression, anxiety, chest pain, headache, giddiness, palpitation, oversweating, and it is even good for balancing our total body metabolism. Yoga Nidra is even used by the US soldiers to overcome their post-traumatic stress disorder. Post-traumatic stress disorder is a mental disorder that can develop after a person is exposed to a traumatic event such as sexual abuse, warfare, traffic collision, child abuse, or other threats on a person's life. Yoga Nidra is an ancient wisdom. It gives complete relaxation to our body and mind. Those who are expecting total relaxation and a good sleep, definitely they should practice Yoga Nidra. The soldiers from United States of America is using this method as a tool to overcome their mental and physical turmoils. On my personal experience, I am always advising to practice this just before you go to sleep. It is my humble request to use your headphone while practicing Yoga Nidra so that you can listen to the commentary well and visualize the process completely. Sometimes you may sleep quickly before finishing the process because of its trance effect. You need not have to wake up and complete the process because the purpose of this recording is to make you sleep and relax. Since Yoga Nidra is about experiential knowledge, so I don't want to waste your time simply by explaining its theoretical aspect. Once again, I am reminding you, use your headphone throughout the process. Now, let's begin the process. Remember, if you follow the instruction as it is, you can extract the benefit of Yoga Nidra to a great extent. Slowly lie down on Shavasana. Keep your feet apart, hands apart, palms facing up, and slowly relax. This posture will relax and calm your entire system, which improves blood circulation. Now, very gently bring your attention on your breath. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Repeat this for 5 times. As you inhale 5th time, gently close your eyes. You will experience very peaceful relaxation. Feel your breathing slowing down and allow your mind to quieten. Inhale relaxation into the body. Exhale tension, releasing from the body. Inhale relaxation into the body. Exhale stress, releasing from the body. As you focus more on your breathing, all the external noises and disturbances will go away. You are moving to more and more deep and deeper relaxation. You are now experiencing peace and joy throughout your entire body. Now I am going to count up to 10. When we reach number 10, you will experience bliss and ecstasy flowing through your mind and body. One, inhale relaxation into your body. Exhale stress, releasing from your body. As you inhale, your face muscles are completely relaxing. Two, inhale relaxation into your neck. Exhale stress, releasing from your neck. As you inhale, your neck muscles are completely relaxing, and this relaxation is flowing down and down and down. Three, inhale relaxation into your chest. Exhale stress, releasing from your chest. As you inhale, your chest muscles are fully loosening and relaxing. You are now experiencing bliss and joy like never before. 4. Inhale relaxation into your shoulders. Exhale stress, releasing from your shoulders. As you inhale, joy and peace flowing down through your fingers. Now, even your fingertips are relaxed completely. 5. relaxation into your upper and lower back. Exhale stress away from your upper and lower back. As you inhale, your body is vibrating with ecstasy and joy. Six, your body is totally relaxed. You are now experiencing peace and joy through your entire body. You are now synonym for peace. Seven, inhale relaxation into your abdomen region. Exhale stress away from your abdomen muscles. As you inhale, ecstasy flowing down to your thighs. Your thigh muscles are relaxing, relaxing, relaxing. 8, your knees, calf muscles are totally relaxed now. You are experiencing ecstasy and joy through your legs. 9, inhale, relax. Exhale, release pressure and tension from your ankles, feet, toes, complete legs. Your legs are relaxed completely now. 10, each breath you take leading you to ecstasy. You are in total joy now. Feel it, enjoy it. Now you are free from everything. You are in deep silence. It is my desire that you float yourself in your dreams, imagination, and free will. Enjoy, my dear friend. Enjoy. Now, once again, I am going to count up to 5. By the time we reach number 5, you will fall asleep into deep, deep relaxation. 1, raised your consciousness from your body to your mind. 2. Now you raised your consciousness from mind to pure energy or even spirit. 3. Now you are in deep trance. 4. Whatever you have experienced today, physically or mentally, let's forget everything. Let's welcome a joyful and peaceful tomorrow. 5. It's time to sleep now. Forget everything. Come on. Come on. Come on. Relax. Relax. Relax.